A comparison between two e-commerce platforms, Dropship.io and Tradelle, reveals distinct features and benefits. Dropship.io offers an extensive catalog of products across various niches, including electronics, fashion, and home decor. By collaborating with suppliers from around the globe, this platform connects retailers with a vast network of suppliers, providing flexibility and diverse sourcing options. However, retailers may need to assess supplier reliability on their own. Dropship.io integrates with leading e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, allowing for inventory synchronization and automated order fulfillment. It also provides tools for price optimization and inventory management, enhancing operational efficiency. Customer support is available via email and a dedicated ticket system, although responsiveness may vary depending on inquiry volume. The pricing plans for Dropship.io include a basic plan at $29 per month, a standard plan at $49 per month, and a premium plan at $79 per month for monthly subscriptions. Annual subscriptions offer discounted rates, with the basic plan at $19 per month, the standard plan at $29 per month, and the premium plan at $49 per month. In contrast, Tradelle is a versatile platform catering to the needs of modern businesses, offering a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline operations and enhance productivity. Its intuitive interface and robust features make it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Tradelle provides advanced inventory management capabilities, allowing businesses to efficiently track stock levels, manage replenishment, and optimize inventory turnover. Real-time updates and customizable alerts enable businesses to stay on top of their inventory needs and minimize stockouts. The platform also streamlines sales processes, strengthens customer relationships, and provides robust CRM functionalities. Tradelle integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms, simplifies financial management, and offers powerful analytics and reporting capabilities. It is accessible on the go, with mobile apps available for both iOS and Android devices. The pricing plans for Tradelle include a free plan, a monthly plan at $29.99, a yearly plan at $19.99, and a lifetime plan at $479. Ultimately, the choice between Dropship.io and Tradelle depends on factors such as specific business needs, budget, target market, and personal preferences. It is essential to evaluate both platforms thoroughly and choose the one that best aligns with your business goals. By considering the features, benefits, and pricing plans of each platform, businesses can make an informed decision and succeed in the competitive e-commerce landscape.